and the big guns.
What's that?
What's what?
That.
You mean this old thing?
No. The other thing over there. However, we can talk about this one, if you prefer.
Oh, this. Oh, that's just my old droid. Nothing special. Had it for a while now. Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Oh, such a getter. Yes, it's new, okay? I just don't want people to know, alright? Alright. Okay, look, let's try to keep this whole new droid thing quiet, okay?
Whatever. So, where does one acquire such a swanky new piece of hardware?
Well, I ordered it off an infomercial I saw 3 nights ago.
Infomercial.
No, wait. It's not like that. In just 4 easy payments, I'm gonna own this little fella free and clear.
Oh, boy. Alrighty then. 4 easy payments, huh?
Can I help you, citizen?
Oh, well, he doesn't look like much. But what the hell? Let's take this bad boy out for a spin. Let's grab the next shuttle to some real nasty planet like Loke or Endor and see what she can do.
I can't afford it.
What? I don't think I heard you right. Did you say you couldn't afford a shuttle ticket?
I'm having some cash flow problems.
But I just loaned you like 10,000 credits. It wasn't more than 3 days ago. When exactly did you say you purchased this droid?